I'm going to walk you through exactly step by step this easy Traeger smoked turkey recipe. We're making the whole bird, no brine, and I'm going to show you how to smoke a turkey on a Traeger smoker or whatever pellet grill you have. And this is just going to make a beautiful and delicious and really simple Thanksgiving main dish. I'm going to show you everything from the dry rub I used to the butter that was put under the turkey skin to exactly the temperature settings for smoking a turkey. There are two different ones you need to use. And just so you know, today I'm bringing you this post in partnership with Traeger grills and Meter, the thermometer you're going to see me using, which is awesome in this video. So you can print out the full step-by-step directions to this recipe at sipbitego, and what we decided to do is not to use a brine. So here you see that we're just making this really delicious compound butter, and you can make this the night before just like we're doing, or at least 2 hours before smoking the turkey. So in this smoked compound butter mixture, all you need is butter, some cloves of garlic, some salt, and the zest of a lemon. That all goes into a bowl and you mix it all together. We just kind of mashed it with our hands here. You could use like a potato masher or something. And when that's all formed, it's time to get the turkey ready and add it between the turkey skin and the meat. So you can use whatever type of pellets you want for smoking turkey, but these are actually, this is part of the Traeger Smoked Turkey Kit. It's a Traeger Turkey Rub Kit that was included. That's what I use for the seasonings. You could use any seasonings you want as well, but it's kind of cool. It all came in this Traeger Thanksgiving kit. So here's how you prepare the turkey. So first you need to remove the whole turkey from the plastic bag. Hopefully by now you've thawed the turkey completely. That usually requires a couple days ahead. You can get all the information on that at sipbitego, like how many days ahead to prepare it. So what you do is you take the whole turkey out of the plastic and remove the inside parts, and you can discard them or whatever you choose to do with them. And then you pat turkey dry with a paper towel. This is a really important step because this is kind of like preeminently going to help the turkey get nice and crispy. So then you need to use your fingers to loosen up the skin from the meat because that delicious compound butter mixture is going to go right in between, and that really leads to the incredible juicy nature of this smoked turkey recipe. So here you see just really gently using fingers trying to get into as deep as you can with that piece of turkey meat, and then in goes that delicious compound butter that's all nice and garlicky and salty and lemony. So you just use it with your fingers, push in the mixture of the butter in there and kind of work it. Try not to tear the skin. You can use whatever technique you're doing here. My husband's like really getting in there, giving him a nice massage. So once that's all in there, you're ready to go ahead and season the outside skin of the turkey. So here, like I said, we used the turkey poultry blend seasoning rub that came with the pellet bag. And all we did was we added the rub into the skin and used some olive oil to help massage it into the skin for about a minute. Rubbed it all over, top and bottom, gut inside. Yeah, it really helps to use a little olive oil here because the turkey skin is dry because you just dried it out. So then it's time to tie the legs together with twine, and you're going to see the technique that we used right here. Did is he put the string of twine under the whole turkey, and then he went back for the legs so that kind of like anchors them down to the body. So he went back for the legs, crossed it over, and then tied it together kind of like a shoelace at that point. It's a really, really simple way to tie twine around turkey, and once you do it once or twice, you'll completely be a pro at it. All right, so this turkey went into the fridge and just chilled. We didn't even cover it. It just went right into the fridge and stayed overnight. And then it was time to go ahead and grill it the very next day. All right, so you're going to see that I used a technique here, which meant that I added 2 pans to the Traeger smoker, one to go under the turkey to catch the drippings. I don't know that this is very necessary. It didn't actually produce a lot of drippings, but then we also are going to end up putting 1 pan to the side that's filled with water that you're going to see here. So the pan on the side is just kind of help add some moisture to it. I do this a lot in my smoked pulled pork recipes, which you can see the video for that on on YouTube or get the recipe at sipbitego. So it's a technique to add some moisture to the air as it smokes. So you can go ahead, put everything in there. We were all set up with our turkey pellets, and then here I'm just getting the meter thermometer ready. So the whole turkey smokes at 25 degrees for 2 hours. And then you can add a baste to the turkey. I have that as part of the recipe on sipbitego, but you don't have to. But at that point, it's the time that you're going to raise the temperature of the smoker to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and brush the turkey with the baste. You smoke until the internal temperature of the turkey, measured in the thickest part of the turkey, whereas the thigh, with an internal meat thermometer, reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it's ready to come off of the Traeger smoker. So then you want to rest the turkey for at least 20 minutes, and you can do this under tin foil if desired, and then you remove the twine and it's time to carve the smoked turkey and enjoy it. I think that you're going to absolutely love this recipe. I have so many more tips for you. Right now I'm doing a whole entire Instagram takeover at sipbitego's Instagram that shows lots of things about smoking turkey, show some behind the scenes of all of this filming. And then also at sipbitego, you can print out this exact recipe and make a really delicious smoker turkey. Well, I'm here to help you along the way. Don't hesitate to reach out. And if you're looking for some more delicious modern Thanksgiving food, make sure to check out sipbitego. There you'll find my smoked turkey breast recipe, how to smoke tri-tip, how to smoke chicken wings, how to smoke jalapeno poppers. I have so many really delicious recipes for you to make the most of using your Traeger pellet grill. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving or whatever holiday or event you're cooking a smoked turkey for. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!